This is a video about integrals that involve the arctangent of x and about completing the square. The question is to integrate dx over x squared minus 6x plus 34. And we're going to use the formula that says the integral of dx over 1 plus x squared is equal to the arctangent of x plus c. Our integral is pretty far from that, but at least we have an x squared there. So the strategy on this one is to complete the square. When we complete the square, remember we take the middle term, which is negative 6, divide by 2, and square that number. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Square that, and you get 9. So what we do is we add and subtract 9 in that quadratic. Now let's factor the first three terms and add negative 9 plus 34 to get x minus 3 quantity squared plus 25. We're getting closer to the 1 plus x squared, but we have a 25. So we factor a 25 out. And notice when we factor a 25 out and there isn't a 25, we have to insert a 1 over 25 factor. We're getting closer now. It's starting to look a little more like 1 plus x squared. The last thing I want to do is put that 25 inside the square, and I write this as x minus 3 over 5 quantity squared. And now we see a 1 plus, we can think of that as a u squared, and we're in good shape for an arctangent. So now let's remember we're in an integral. So let's write it as an integral. And we have 1 over 25. Remember this 25 came from a denominator, so it's a 1 over 25 times the integral of dx over what was left, which was 1 plus x minus 3 over 5 quantity squared. So there's our u, x minus 3 over 5. When we take a derivative, the derivative of x minus 3 over 5 is just 1/5. So now I'm going to substitute. Notice that when we have du as 1/5 dx, that means dx is 5 times du. So I have to multiply by 5, and then I have a du over my 1 plus, and there's my u squared. Now we get an arctangent, and we can integrate that, and notice that 5 divided by 25 is 1/5, and we have our arctangent of u plus a constant. And then the final step is to just resubstitute. Remember, u is x minus 3 divided by 5. So I end up with my final answer is going to be 1/5 times the arctangent of x minus 3 divided by 5 plus a constant. And I'm done with the problem.